State Representative Mitch Whitaker says there's a loophole for offenders found mentally incompetent in the involuntary commitment law across the Commonwealth.
Currently, there is a loophole in the law where only the most egregious crimes are eligible for involuntary commitment. And involuntary commitment is the procedure where a judge can hold someone in psychiatric care if they're not mentally capable to stand trial. Currently, only the worst crimes are eligible, and I'd like to see all crimes against children included in that, including inappropriate touching of children, so that we can keep these dangerous citizens off the streets.
Whitaker says these releases while awaiting trial have happened in his district, including Letcher and parts of Harlan and Pike counties.
This has occurred in my district because the defendant was released. The judge had no option but to release the individual who was accused of these crimes. So it has occurred. I'm limited in what I can say because that person's been released without a trial, so they haven't been found guilty. But this is an issue that has happened in the state of Kentucky and will continue to happen if we don't fix it.
As it relates to changes in the punishment for those facing trial, Whitaker says his proposed bill, House Bill 249, is not asking for additional time for those sentenced.
One thing I want to make sure everyone understands is this isn't enhancing penalties. This isn't it isn't creating a extra layer of sentencing to these offenders. It's simply keeping them off the streets until they're capable of standing trial or knowing right from wrong. The situation here is there are some people in society that don't know right from wrong because they're mentally incompetent, but that doesn't mean that they should be turned loose instead of put in prison. There needs to be a third option, and that option will be covered if my bill becomes law.
Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Sheldon Compton.